Warm greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Daily Doses of Divine Self-Awareness with Archana Mishra. Now, this is the COVID-19 pandemic time going on, and we all are at our homes so that we are safe in the future for humanity, and also so that we can again start celebrating the functions, the festivals, our birthdays, social gatherings, etc. So now all of us are facing difficult times, stress, uncertainty of what is going to happen, but also a pressure is on medical infrastructure. So many people are dying and so on. But yes, there is a hope for a bright future. A limelight is there because any kind of negative energy or diseases are short-lived. This I have seen in Pearls of Wisdom from Sri Bhagavad Gita, which is a yoga shastra, which represents all the Vedic scriptural injunctions, the Vedic sciences, all the ancient Vedic wisdom and knowledge. Let us take some verses from Sri Gita. Na tvevaham jatu nasam, na tvam neme janadipa, na chaiva na bhavishyama, sarve vyamat paramam. The Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, it has never happened in any yuga or epoch or in the past, in any era, that either you are not there or I am not there or the things are not there. I reiterate, na tvevaham jatu nasham means it has never happened that you are not there. Na tvam neme janadipa, na chaiva na bhavishyama. Neither in the present nor in the past nor in the future it will ever happen that we all are not there. We all will be available in the future also, in any era, in any epoch. The strong warriors, the good kings, the noble people have always worked to protect the righteousness, the social justice, and the social welfare. Their main motto, the mission of the life has been to work for good for all the people, to protect the law. This is what happened in the battle of Kurukshetra, where the battle was between the near and dear ones. But it was to protect the righteousness, what is correct, the respect of women, the social justice, so that the future generation read this and learn from it, and lawlessness should not prevail. It should always happen that social justice is there, because the God always sees to it that good people govern the society, and the God gives them good qualities so that they work for social justice. And it will always happen in all the areas. Let's see some more verses. Dehi no simnyatha, dehe komaram yovanam jara, tatha dehantar prapnoti dhirastratta na muhyati. Very, very nice wisdom from this world that we all can learn. This human body is made up of the 5 elements of the nature we all know: earth, water, fire, space. And this human body, since it is made of nature, undergoes changes, transformations in the life. Because this nature is also, the Prithvi is also not immortal. It undergoes changes with the day and night, with the change of seasons, and sometimes man-made, there are disasters due to man-made changes or interferences, or sometimes, just natural changes. So, the heart in the body that represents the soul, which is a miniature part of the sunlight, that is present in the spinal cord as it makes the bones and gives the energy. So, this soul brings changes in the human body from the childhood to adult to youth, and then finally leaves the body. So we should not be worried about this nature-made human body, which is mortal, and every passing time of our body is mortal. So let's not worry for that, but work for our good actions, because this complete life is karma yoga. Let's work for good, let's perform our duties and look after the country, the society, so that we leave behind good work for the next generation, because the life of the action, the life of our karma is greater than the life of this human body. And it is not the human body that is immortal. Our actions are immortal. Our contribution to the society is immortal, because that is what the society will remember. To look into another verse, which is very, very knowledge granting from Sri Gita. Matra sarpashastu kaunte shitoshan sukh dukkha. That is, our life has a cycle of pains and good moments, happiness. Just like the change in season, Shitoshan, that is, change in season from the winter, summer, day, night. So, the Lord said that just like there are changes in the moment, in the hour, in the seconds, so similarly, there are changes in our life, from happiness to joy to pain, to good sad moments, to good moments, to failures, to achievements, to success. So every time, always remember, this too shall pass. Nothing is permanent. Even happiness, this too shall pass. Even the sad or the pain, this too shall pass. So nothing is permanent. Believe me. So never be affected by the changes, because if we develop a sense of integration between the human body, that is speech, the mind that represents the knowledge or blood, and the heart that represents the soul, which is the miniature part of the sunlight. If all these three are integrated, we develop a sense of equanimity. So, dear one and all, if we learn the art of equanimity, that is remaining same in whatever be the situation, joy or pain, we will attain peace and happiness forever. Let's see one more verse from the Vedic wisdom. Nasato vidyate, nasto vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sat. That is, dear one and all, this human body is called a sat or mortal, and the soul, which is a miniature part of the sunlight, is called sat or permanent. So, since this human body is mortal, why to worry? Why to worry at all? So let's, whatever life we have, whatever moments we have, whatever days we have, the months we have, the years we have, Let's do our karma, our action, fruitful one, and leaving the outcomes to the Supreme Lord. So let's do meditation. If we cannot do meditation, let's do our actions, leaving the outcomes to the God. If we do not do that, then let's do those actions without any attachment to the outcomes. Without any attachment to the outcomes. And the outcomes are taken care of if we have performed them sincerely, with the hard work, with good intention. So dear audience, let's practice these verses. Let's learn from Vedic wisdom. There is so much to learn, and each learning brings peace, happiness, and helps us to ascend to a higher level of divine self-awareness. So let's see more and watch more of these Vedic wisdoms, the pearls of wisdoms. My website, https:// this we all know on the internet, https://happiness-kosh kosh.wixsite.com/stress management. Stay happy, stay healthy, and make an effort to find out who we are, who am I. So this is possible by ascending to a higher level of divine awareness. Thank you so much.